This headline says it all, guys. Dog with hat, Floki, Dogecoin, they all soar as the cryptocurrency market cap spikes 7.7%. Now, I'm going to be talking about these three specific coins in this video. We're going to go over this article as to why these meme coins are moving higher and what it means for you as an investor. Look, I don't know if you guys are into Bitcoin, if you're into Ethereum, if you're into the blue chip cryptos out there, or if you're more into the meme coins, but we're going to be discussing some meme coins in this video, and we're also going to be highlighting one that is brand new to the market, Dogeverse. Because Dogeverse is setting itself up to do just as well, if not potentially even better, than these meme coins mentioned in this article here. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we're going to be going over a lot of meme coins in this video, so hopefully it's your bread and butter. Hopefully you guys are interested in it, and if not, you know, it could be a very good way to diversify your portfolio. So I know a lot of people are interested in the major altcoins. They're interested in utility out there. And luckily for you, if that is you, we're going to be talking about a meme coin in this video that is, it's not just a meme coin. Alright, Dogeverse is going to be a multi-chain bridge. It is going to have massive utility right off the bat. So stay tuned for a minute for that. But we have to, and we can't overlook the entire meme coin market. These dog coins are stealing the show. Yes, Bitcoin has the chance to double in price. Yes, Ethereum has the chance to triple in price. But if you're looking for 5, 10, 20, and even in some cases 100x gains, you either have to get in on the ground floor of a revolutionary new product, or you have to chance it with the meme coins. Now, that doesn't mean you go out there and dedicate 100% of your portfolio to any one specific coin. No. So let's talk a little bit more about what's going on and open up the horizons just a little bit here. Dog with hat, Floki, Dogecoin soar as the cryptocurrency market cap spikes 7.7%. Dog with hat, guys, just here in the last week, a 28.65% increase. Amazing. Moving down a little bit further, Floki, seen its price soar to 1994 points, representing a notable 21% increase in the last 24 hours. Amazing. And guys, it doesn't stop there. Dogecoin, over the last 24 hours, a 20.27%. I mean, we're talking about gains after gains after gains. Add Shiba Inu coin into the mix. Add Bonk into the mix. You can diversify away a little bit from the dog coins and even add Pepe to the mix. These meme coins are something special. Yes, they are a lot more speculative than something that might be blue chip. Yes, there's a lot more risk associated with them than something that might be, you know, a major alt with major utility. But if you're looking to combine the best of both worlds and you haven't seen Dogeverse yet, you absolutely need to check it out. And if you would, please, trust me when I tell you, there's scam after scam after scam. You guys can Google the word Dogeverse and see how many fake websites pull up. Make sure to utilize the affiliate link that's in the description below. It is going to pull up the correct website. I myself have bought into Dogeverse, right? Now, that doesn't indicate that you should buy into Dogeverse by any means, but I have bought into the pre-sale using this affiliate link. It is connected to the correct website. Everything's good on that end. But you need to know this, and you need to know it quick, because this could be the last chance to buy before launch. They've raised over $13 million. The hard cap on this raise is $17 million. They're well beyond the soft cap of like $8.5 million, which means that they could launch anytime. Now, if you guys are interested in jumping into this pre-sale, it is very easy to connect your wallet. After you do that, you can decide how much you want to buy. One Ethereum gets you 9.8 million Dogeverse. If you'd rather go a straight up 10 million Dogeverse, 0.99 Ethereum is going to get you that, USDT, and so on. You can choose. But this is where it gets magical, right? This is where the utility meets the meme status. Not only can you buy with Ethereum, you can also buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. And not can you just only buy with those tokens, you're going to be able to buy and claim Dogeverse on any of those blockchains. Guys, Dogeverse is setting up to be a multi-bridge utility, which means that you're going to be able to bridge from one blockchain to another seamlessly in just a few clicks with minuscule gas fees to worry about. Now, if you're not 100% sure what a bridge is, I'm just going to show you one real quick so you can get a better understanding. D-Bridge is one that I have used in the past. It is an excellent one. And Dogeverse is setting up, in my opinion, to be one that captures more of the meme mentality and more of the meme trader crowd. And you can't write that crowd off, guys. I mean, meme coin investors and traders have serious money, almost endless pockets, and they never give up. So don't write them off. But if you want to move over from the Ethereum blockchain, and let's say you want to jump over to, I don't know, Base. You see a new Base meme coin out there that you want to buy. You can move from Ethereum over to USDC on Base. Simple as that. You can jump from one blockchain to another. And that is what Dogeverse is setting up to allow you to do. Seamlessly move from one blockchain to another, all while capturing the meme coin crowd. And guys, in just a couple of weeks, it's raised over $13 million. If you're not a trader, if you're more of an investor and you would like to earn an 80% passive income, you can absolutely do that by staking your Dogeverse. Now, I myself have not staked my Dogeverse, so it is up to you if you guys want to do that. If you want to buy in any of that, it's your decision. But as this number goes up, you're going to see this rate of return go down because the reward rate is dynamic, and you are splitting that reward with more people the more that stake their Dogeverse. So please do keep that in mind. But guys, it is... I think that this is an excellent opportunity to combine the meme coin world with crazy gains that we've seen over the last couple of days and the excitement that could be surrounding Dogeverse here with this multi-bridge utility. Now, if you still have questions about what this means and so on, don't just take it from me, right? Reach out to these guys, join their official Telegram group, reach out to a moderator, and get an answer. They're sitting there willing and waiting to help you guys better understand their project. And if you don't want to reach out to Telegram, maybe you don't have a Telegram account, check them out on X. 13,000, just under 13,000 followers right now. TikTok, folks, time is running out. And that is true, guys. Time is running out. The counter is already off of the Dogeverse website. So you're going to need to make a decision and rather quickly, right? I'm not trying to light a fire under you or anything like that. But this token truly could launch at any given time. So that if you're trying to lock in this price of 0.00031, you're going to need to do it sooner rather than later. So let's combine the meme coin craze with massive bridging utility and see just how far Dogeverse can go. And if it truly does rival tokens like Dogecoin, Floki, and of course Dog with Hat along the way. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.